Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own custom riser transition effects. So the first thing you'll want to do is pick your favorite crash, reverse it, and stretch it. First thing I do is click on transposition and transpose the first one up an octave. Then I'll pick a second crash, reverse it, double it, transpose it down an octave. Then I'll resample them both into one. Next up, you just delete those and just start automating any of your favorite effects. I believe I used auto pan. I am automating the amount, and the rate I like to put to the little music icon and go from 1 full bar down to 1/16. Starting to get a little more interesting. Next up, I am doing the phaser amount and the auto filter. And like I said, you can do any of these effects that you want. Pretty much just go crazy automating things. And then reverb is the last thing that I added, and that's just to give it the tail. Then resample it again into your final riser. And name it however you'd like. And throw it in the clip. And that's all. Pretty simple.